Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you.
Start. Both the applicants were tried for offences under sections 302, 201 and 120B IPC. Stop. The trial court void its judgment dated 20th December 2016, convicted all the applicants as well as awarded death sentence to all the three accused. Stop. Criminal appeal was filed before the High Court by the accused against the judgment of Sessions Judge Hoshiarpur. Stop. Murder reference was also made by the Sessions Judge before the High Court seeking confirmation of death sentence. Stop. Both murder references as well as criminal appeals were heard and disposed of by a common judgment of the High Court dated 30/5/2008. Stop. The High Court accepted the murder reference and confirmed the death sentence awarded by the trial court. Resultantly, criminal appeal was dismissed. Stop. Aggrieved by the judgment of the High Court, criminal appeals were filed by the accused. Stop. This court heard the criminal appeals. Stop. Two-judge bench of this court, by its judgment, dismissed the criminal appeals of two accused persons, whereas death sentence awarded to the third accused was converted into life imprisonment. Stop. First and second accused filed review petitions, which review petitions were dismissed by circulation by two-judge bench, which had heard the criminal appeals on the ground of delay as well as on merits. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the parties were permitted to advance their oral submissions in support of review petitions. Stop. Para. We have heard learned senior counsel appearing for accused number 1, whereas has been heard for applicant number 2. Stop. Learned additional advocate general has been heard for the state of Punjab and Haryana. Stop. Para. The applicants by their review petitions are seeking review of the judgment of this court by which criminal appeals filed by the applicants were dismissed and death sentence awarded by the trial court and affirmed by the High Court was maintained by dismissing the appeals. Stop. Para. Before we proceed to examine the review petitions, it is necessary to note the ambit, scope, and parameters of the review jurisdiction of this court. Stop. Article 137 of the Constitution of India provides for review of judgments or orders of this court in following words: para. Review of judgments or orders by the Supreme Court. Stop. Subject to the provisions of any law made by Parliament or any rules made under Article 145, the Supreme Court shall have power to review any judgment pronounced or ordered made by it. Stop. Ordered by it. Stop. Para. Order 40 of Supreme Court Rules 1966 deals with the review. Rule 1 of which provides that the court may review its judgment or order, but no application for review will be entertained in a civil proceeding except on the grounds mentioned in Order 47, Rule 1 of the Code, and in a criminal proceeding except on the ground of an error apparent on the face of the record. Stop. Para. This court has constitutional power to review its judgment as granted by Article 137 of the Constitution, which is subject to provisions of any law made by Parliament or any rules made under Article 145. Stop. Para. Granting power of review to this court by the Constitution is in recognition of the universal principle that the power of review is part of all judicial system. Stop. Rule 1 of Order 40 of the Supreme Court Rules 1966 provides for the procedure and manner in which the power of review can be exercised by this court. Stop. This ambit and scope of review of this court has come up for consideration time and again before this court. Stop.